Thanks for purchasing the Outdoor Barbecue Table, a Garden Patio Decor product by NewTek Wood. Let's walk through the steps for assembly. To begin, lay out all the parts and tools included in your packaging. Let's start by assembling the table legs. Position the two leg components, B, and align them on both ends of the tabletop component, A. Assemble the S1 screw followed by one S3 spring, and finally the S3 washer. Secure each leg using 6 S1 screws, 3 on each end of the component. For each S1 screw, use one S3 spring washer. Tighten them using your T1 hex key tool. Next, we'll attach the leg support rod, component C. Simply slide each end of C into the bracket attached to each of the leg components. Finally, secure each leg using 16 S1 screws, 4 per leg. Also use an S4 washer and a single S2 screw on each side. Tighten using your T1 hex key. And then add your S5 screw cap. Note that the bottoms of the legs are adjustable for uneven ground. That's it! Your poly-aluminum barbecue table is now fully assembled. Thanks for choosing Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood.